to enable or disable Snapchat lenses in camera on Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we're gonna go to the camera app. And once you go to the camera app, then you can of course go to the fun mode in order to try to use it. Over here we have this prompt where we have to tap on continue to accept terms of service and privacy policy to be able to use these fun mode effects which we have over here. But in case you don't have them available in here, you can tap on these 4 dots on the right side and go to settings. Once you open camera settings, you want to scroll down, and then here we have show Snapchat lenses in fun mode, which of course must be enabled if you want to use them. If you want to turn them off, just tap on the switcher to turn them off, and that is pretty much it. Then you should be able to use the fun mode without these effects. Let's try again if it's going to stay like that. Let's see, and actually no, we just have to accept it. So nevertheless, if you go over here to this fun mode, or if you go to settings, in both cases you should be able to turn these effects on. Leave a like and subscribe.